Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back. I'm here to tell you all about my products, the Horsetail Leaf Growth Oil and the Emu Oil Growth Drops. They're both packed with horsetail leaf herb. Now the thing about horsetail leaf herb is that it's abundant in silica. That's why it's so special and it's my not so secret ingredient. Silica is great for strengthening the hair. These products are also packed with selenium, which is the key mineral for hair growth. Now, I personally oil my hair and scalp about once to twice a week, but everyone's different, so make sure you're suiting your own hair needs. But I definitely recommend that you massage the oil into your scalp and hair as needed. It can also be used as a pre-poo treatment, an oil rinse, a hot oil treatment, and you can even add it to your deep conditioner or your hair mist. So being rich in silica and selenium, this hair product is perfect for you. As for the Emu oil, it is a concentrated version of horsetail leaf growth oil. It has the same ingredients plus emu oil. Emu oil is great for thinning areas of your scalp like the hairline, the nape of the neck, and bald spots. It's also good for filling out beards, and used regularly, it will help you to maintain a nice full hairline. Be sure to visit www.keishacharmaine.com to shop. And don't forget my new products, the satin lined hat. My satin lined hats are great for keeping your hair protected while keeping warm. They're also really fashionable, so get them while they're in season.